Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Investment spending can flip this question fast because in the short run, you just track what higher spending does to total demand and prices. Investment spending is one part of aggregate demand. So if investment rises, total spending in the economy rises too. That means demand shifts right, not left. Simple start. Watch this. An increase in investment spending pushes aggregate demand upward in the short run, so output and the overall price level tend to rise together. Rising demand creates demand-side pressure. In the short run, that higher aggregate demand causes demand pull inflation because prices get pushed up by stronger spending, not by production costs. Well done! Option B, scan now. Trap, do not rush signs. Rule, trust the given change. Then check each step before choosing inflation.